Hello, my name is Nicky Macdonald and I am the instructor of the West-Mont Montessori Teacher Training Program. And I wanted to send you a little video clip just to give you a little bit of background information about the training program. Normally we would have you all to come in and meet with us at West-Mont, but because of COVID-19 we're doing some more distance things. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what the training program would look like and what are the differences we're going to have to take on board this year because of COVID-19. So I, as you can probably tell by my voice, grew up in England. I'm from the UK, but I've been living here in Canada for 20 years. But while I was living in the UK, I did some work as a Montessori teacher trainer in Scotland with an organisation called the Montessori Partnership. And West-Mont Montessori has teamed up with the Montessori Partnership to create a flexible training program which uses an English-based training system. So that's what we offer at West-Mont, and that if you're interested in taking part in this course, that's the course that you'll be doing. So this course is really designed to meet the needs of students' lives. Most of the students who take the training are either working full or part-time, or perhaps they have children, and so they're not available for a full-time residential program such as might be offered by an organisation like AMI, which is a very good training organisation, but does require students to take part 5 days a week full-time. So this one is flexible, and by that what we mean is that it takes place usually one afternoon and evening a week and one Saturday a month. So normally we meet at West-Mont from about 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock on a Wednesday evening, and then we get together all day on Saturday once every month. But what we've considered this year is, because of COVID-19, we want to limit the amount of contact points we have. We still want to have the 220 contact hours, which are an integral part of the program. But what we're going to do this time is say that the Wednesday afternoon and evening classes will actually take place via Zoom. So there will be each month three Zoom classes, and then one in-person full-day class on a Saturday. And that one would run from 9 until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that would be three Wednesdays and then one Saturday. Each of those sessions, whether they're on Zoom or in person, will involve some theory, so a lecture format, and then also presentation of materials. So as you can see around me, I'm sitting in what we would call the sensorial area of the classroom. So you would learn how to use each one of the pieces of apparatus that is an integral part of a Montessori classroom. And then you would also have the opportunity to practice with those materials. So I think what it will probably look like is that the Zoom portion will be me giving a lecture, having a discussion with you as students. I'll then show you how to use some of the materials. And then on the Saturday, we'll have the opportunity to practice with the materials. The joy of Zoom is that you can record it, so that you can record what's been said, you can record some of the presentations, and so you can use those once you come to write up your presentations, like your lesson plans, basically, of the materials that we use. So I just wanted to give you a quick outline of the course. Usually I would give you this on a piece of paper, but I'm just going to talk you through it. Typically the course length is about 14 months. So from when we first start, so we're proposing to begin in January, then it would probably finish maybe in March the following year. There is then usually like a review period, followed by examinations and assessment of materials and manuals that you will make during the course. The contact hours, as I said, is about 220 hours. And it covers all areas of the Montessori method of education. So it covers the philosophy of Montessori, as well as the actual how to use the materials in the classroom. During the course of the year-long, 14-month-long program, you will actually create 5 subject manuals. So you'll create one for the sensorial materials, one for the math materials, one for the language materials. But you'll create 5 of those, and they will be your lesson plans, which will enable you to work successfully with the children in the classroom once you've completed the course. You will also, as part of the course, you'll have weekly assignments, which usually involves maybe about 20 minutes of research and then about 20 minutes of writing. And then for each subject area, like sensorial, math, language, etc., you will be expected to write an essay. And that really, the essay is the opportunity for you to express what it is you have learned during the period that we've been studying, so whether it was math or language. And then at the end, as I say, there are some exams. You have practical exams and theory exams. And then you would be awarded the Montessori Partnerships Teacher Certificate for the Montessori certificate. And I'm trying to think what else I have to say to you. I think mostly, if you have, Bob Lewis, who is from West-Mont, is going to send you an information package, which should hopefully include everything that you might have a question about. And then once you've had a look through that information package, you've watched my little video, then you can get in touch with me, you can get in touch with Barb if you have any questions. And then our intention is to hopefully start the training program in January, if we have enough students like yourself who are interested in beginning. And I've probably forgotten things, but I think that's it for now. Well, hopefully I will be able to meet you all soon, and looking forward to studying the Montessori method of education with you all. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.